experience, look for the mark on the panel and scan it. We will now begin the maintenance tasks. Select the first job from the list. In the lower left-hand corner, you will see the multimeter. Once there, turn the wheel to the first option, Voltage. Long press on the Bluetooth button until the Bluetooth icon appears in the upper left corner of the screen to connect. Once activated, please wait for the HoloLens to connect. We will now perform the measurements in the points indicated by the holograms. Please do not move. A photograph will be taken with the value obtained. The photograph was